Environmental control is key. You need really good energy-efficient ways to manage temperature and humidity. Ideally, a dedicated climate control system that includes energy savings and heat recovery. CO2 is essential in a container farm. It's a closed environment, no natural CO2 comes in. Unlike outdoors, where there's plenty, CO2 inside gets used up by plants and becomes too low. Unless people are going in and out often breathing, you'll need to supplement CO2. But CO2 supplementation is tied to something else, airflow and aerodynamics inside the container. Airflow needs to be even across all layers so temperature, humidity, CO2 concentration, and airspeed are consistent. That ensures all plants grow evenly and healthily. Otherwise, you get hot spots, temperature stratification, or uneven CO2 a huge problem. Your crops would grow unevenly. Wind speed per layer should be adjustable. If it's too strong, it can dry out young plants. Too weak and lower leaves may turn yellow or grow poorly, especially around the edges. In such a tight space without proper airflow, plants get stressed and grow slowly. We usually use LED lights, but quality varies. First, the spectrum must be precise. Different plants need different light spectra, but you might grow multiple types in one container. We have over 10 varieties in ours here. So we use a full spectrum that's both efficient for plants and comfortable for people working inside. Too much red or blue makes everything look purple and unpleasant, and people spend hours in there every day. Also, the lights should be controllable at least with timers and sunrise or sunset modes. If plants get stressed or leaves dry, we should be able to adjust light intensity automatically. For veggies, one spectrum often works. But for strawberries or medicinal plants that flower and fruit, different growth stages need different spectra. If you're growing them start to finish in one container, the lights must be tunable not just in intensity, but also in wavelength ratios. The light recipe should change as plants develop. You need a good water and nutrient control system with at least 4 channels. We usually use 4 to 8. It should accurately mix solutions automatically. And monitoring pH and EC must be easy. These sensors don't last long. EC lasts about half a year. pH may be also 6 months before needing calibration. So they should be easy to remove, recalibrate, and reinstall. When nutrient solution drains back into the tank, it needs sterilizing. After that, sensors check EC and pH again, remix nutrients, and then it's resprayed. That saves water and keeps nutrient levels precise.